Hey, what's up everybody? 9 Scoutify retail arbitrage secrets that will maximize your profits and help you sell faster on Amazon. Stay tuned. Secret number 1, check the rank. Lots of people know that you need to check the rank of an item to see how fast it sells on Amazon. Now, a great way to do this is to check on a rank sheet like the one provided by Full-Time FBA, which is what I use to check the rank of products to make sure that they're in the top 1% of Amazon if you want them to sell really fast. If you're okay holding them a little bit while longer, you can go in the top 3%, maybe the top 5%, and around Christmas time, you could even go lower into the top 5 and top 10% because that time of year things sell a lot faster. But an additional thing is check the listing. So when you see something that has what looks like a good ranking, check the listing. Click on that there and check the listing to see if it has multiple items on the same listing. Is it something that has multiple levels? Maybe there's 20 different types or 50 different types of the same product even when it comes to shoes, for example, that's boosting the rank because all of those items combined is what's showing up for that ranking. So you want to be careful there that you're looking at the ranking of the product and that it actually is a really good rank. If it's a really good rank and it's the only one product showing on that listing, then fantastic. But if there's multiple products, then you have to weigh that as to how good of the ranking actually is. Secret number 2, buy things that are out of stock on Amazon, even if the rank is way down there. If the item is out of stock on Amazon, the rank is not going to be that accurate. So what you're going to want to do is check on services such as Camel, and Keepa to see what the historical rank of that item is. To see if when people are having that in stock, if the rank boosts up and it's selling on Amazon. Because if it's selling good when it is in stock, but right now it's not in stock, you're going to want to grab that, sell it on Amazon. You're going to be able to maximize your profit and sell that possibly at a higher price than what people would normally pay because it's out of stock currently. Secret number 3, check the reviews of an item. If you're looking at an item, the rank looks okay, or maybe it's out of stock so the rank is way down there. You look at Camel, and Keepa and can't really get a good idea there. Click on the item, go over to the listing and look at the number of reviews it has. You don't really care about if it's 3 stars, 5 stars, or 1 star. You're looking at the quantity of reviews. If the item has a fair amount of reviews or a lot of reviews, then that's an item that sells pretty good on Amazon. So you can take it, grab it off the shelf, buy it, and sell it on Amazon and be fairly sure that it's going to sell quickly on Amazon. You'll be making a good profit off of that. Secret number 4, if you scan an item and multiples of that item show up as possibilities to sell on Amazon, select the one with the lowest rank and or the most offers on it already. Usually the one with the most offers is going to be the one that is going to sell quickest, and it's also going to give you the best idea of what it's currently. So look at the rank, pick the one with the lowest rank, and also look at the number of sellers because the number of sellers is a good indication on which one is going to sell the best. Secret number 5 plays right off of secret number 4. You're going to want to make sure that it's the right item. Sometimes when you scan an item, it brings it up in Scoutify, you look at it, the rank looks great, everything's fantastic, the profit is good, but double check the picture, make sure it actually is the correct item because sometimes you'll scan it, somebody used that barcode either for some other product or the product you're scanning used a barcode that someone else already used and it's the wrong item on Amazon. So double check, make sure that it's the correct item on Amazon. You don't want to buy a product, send it into Amazon, and have someone return it because it's the wrong item, or have to return it later because you bought the wrong item. Secret number 6, shoot for at least 100% profit. So when you scan that in Scoutify, it's going to give you that there to show you your net profit on the item. But remember, that does not include automatically the price that you have to pay for the item. So when I'm looking at it, I'm looking for the net profit of at least double of what I'm buying the item for because that way you're shooting for 100% profit. So at least 100% or double. Occasionally I will go down to 50%, 75% if it's an item that sells really fast and I know that it's going to sell really fast. But with that, I'll check the past prices on Keepa and Camel to make sure that the current price is not at a very high price currently, and it's likely going to go down quickly. So shoot for 100% profit, and you're much more likely to make profit on the items, even if the price goes down before you get it in there and sell your product. Secret number 7, don't skip items just because you don't think they're going to sell. There's so many things that sell on Amazon that would boggle your mind as to why they sell. You wouldn't think they sell, but you're not the one who matters. The one who matters is the customer on Amazon who wants to buy the product. So don't assume just because you wouldn't buy it, other people wouldn't buy it. This is a big one. Check to make sure that the item that you're buying is not restricted as hazardous on Amazon. So when you're scanning, you're going to run into possibly an item that looks fantastic. Nobody's selling it on FBA, or nobody's selling it at all. There could be a reason. Perhaps that item is restricted as hazardous and you can't send it into Amazon FBA. So what you're going to want to do is open up the Amazon Seller app, scan the item in the Amazon Seller app, and click on that item and look for the little hazardous icon that pops up, possibly if the item is hazardous on Amazon. This can happen a lot for any kind of liquids or any kind of pesticides, anything that Amazon could think is hazardous. Sometimes it's crazy what Amazon thinks is hazardous, even when you know that it's not. But double check, because if it is hazardous, when you go to send it in, Amazon's not going to let you send it in, and then you're going to have to return it back to the store. So big tip right there, check and make sure that it's not hazardous. So those are my 9 top secrets that I use when I'm out doing retail arbitrage using Scoutify to make sure that I'm buying products that I know will be profitable and I know will sell quickly. I hope this has helped you in some small way, and you can become more profitable and sell more items on Amazon. You can do it. I know you can. So get out there now, start doing some retail arbitrage, make some profit, get selling on Amazon, get those first items sold if you haven't sold before, and you'll see how easy this game really can be and how quickly you can make money selling on Amazon. If you're interested, down in the notes down below, I'm going to have a link to the raw footage of me out doing retail arbitrage with the Scoutify app and showing you things to look for as you're going through. So the 9 secrets that you've seen today, you can see the raw footage of me going through the store, utilizing these exact secrets and finding items to sell on Amazon. So check that out down in the notes. Also, click that subscribe button down below so you can get alerted to more awesome videos like this that will help you maximize your profits on Amazon and find items that will sell quickly doing the retail arbitrage. Thank you for tuning in. Continue on down this entrepreneur adventure. This is Todd Welch signing off. Thank you and have a great day, everybody.